Hey everyone, in this video, let's do a review of Sintra X and ask, is it worth it? In order to do so, here we are at Sintra.ai and we're all logged in and we're looking at the Sintra X option to give you an idea of what you can get with Sintra X. Now, with Sintra X, you get access to all 12 plus Sintra AI helpers, and it is for a reasonable cost of $97 a month when you consider the value that you're getting out of it. You're getting all 12 helpers for most areas of your work, all the 90 plus power-ups for one-click work, all the features for Brain AI, complete tasks in 150 plus languages on one easy to use platform. Right now, there is a sale for 60% off. However, that is for limited time. If you do not see that sale, well, guess what? You can head down to the description in this video, and if you click on our link tree, then you will find a link to our affiliate link for Sintra, and you can use discount code SkillCraft60 in order to get that 60% off. So fear not, if you are unable to take advantage of the winter sale, then you can still use SkillCraft60 in order to gain access. And go ahead and click on that link, click on Sintra AI, enter in that discount code. You'd be helping us out as well, and we would greatly appreciate it. Now, as far as a review of Sintra X, this is going to give you an idea of everything that you have available to you. When you log in, you're going to find all of your AI employees ready to go, and each of them is worth their weight in gold. There is so much value here, and the reason that we're partnered with Sintra is because of the many AI tools that we have found as we've been doing our research and looking at all the top tools that are out there. Sintra AI really stands out as adding real value, and I just can't say enough good about it. It's such a fantastic platform. There's so much value here to be offered, and whatever your business is, whether you're an established business owner or you are a beginner, I guarantee, will find some amazing content in the Sintra X platform. I definitely think that it's worth it. Here on the left-hand side, you'll see all of the power-ups that you have access to, and there is just so much here, so much amazing content. Take a look at our other videos to get an in-depth look at each of our AI employees and everything that they offer. But I guarantee that there is just so much here that if you take advantage of it, Sintra can really help take your business to the next level. We also have some amazing automations here, so we can post on social media, we can comment on Facebook, we can come up with a daily summary, some amazing stuff. We have our Brain AI. This is where we have all of our integrations, and also the information that Sintra gathers over a period of time. This is the brain, essentially, of Sintra for your platform. And so Sintra will get to know your company in order to offer some incredibly valuable insights. So that is where you're going to find all of that information. And you can also integrate with your favorite platform. So in short, Sintra is an amazing, amazing platform. And if you go into the link there at the bottom in the description, click on the Sintra link, use discount code SkillCraft60 to get started. I guarantee you won't regret it. That's all there is to it. If you found this video helpful, please leave a comment and like and subscribe. And don't forget to set your notifications for more helpful tips.